There are people making millions in digital marketing, and I knew I wanted to be one of them. So I went ahead and purchased the Passive Profit Millionaires course. I took the entire course, and I'm going to tell you everything that I learned. And in the end, I'm going to tell you if it's actually worth purchasing this course so you could learn the same things. If you've been with my channel for a while, then you'll know that I'm truly a homesteading mama at heart. I love to share my journey of living a more self-sufficient life and learning how to just live a more simple life. But outside of my homesteading journey, I've been in the digital marketing landscape for over 10 years, and it's something that really interests me. And over the past year, I've had a passion for learning more about making money and learning more about side hustles so that I can spend more time around the homestead, around my family, and be able to pay off some of the debts that we have from everything. So I want to start sharing this in the new year. And if you like this content, then please stay for the journey, subscribe, and I hope that you like this video on this new area that I'm diving into. If you're new here, then welcome, and let's talk more about the Passive Profit Millionaire course. If your Instagram's like mine, then you've definitely heard a lot about this course as well as master resell rights, but let's talk a little bit more about it and why I actually decided to purchase this course and not some of the others. Now, what I really liked about this course was the price point. There are some courses that are exuberantly priced, and I wasn't really ready to put that much money into a course off the bat. I definitely wanted to start something and see where it would lead. I also loved that the creator, Haley, has been in the industry and has been able to generate a lot of income. I am a full-time working mom, so I have limited amounts of time. So I wanted to make sure that before I jumped into a course that I was able to actually focus and get something out of it and actually start to do something with it. So I love that this course was really getting to the point. They use the best-in-class digital marketing folks in order to create content around what they were actually great at. So you have someone that is really great at branding, Instagram, TikTok, someone that's the best in class in their area of focus. Haley compiled their content in order to give you exactly what you needed. What's also great about this course is it has master resell rights. Now, master resell rights are amazing because you can actually take the course, learn from it in order to generate your own future courses that you can make profits from, but you can also start to make a profit from the Passive Profit Millionaire course. So you can either do it as is, just sell it exactly the way it is and generate your own income, or you can actually take parts of the course, tweak it, and turn it into an entirely new course that uses parts of this. I also love that the course is always adding on additional content. Just recently, they launched some new aspects to it, a bunch of new videos and key learnings. So you're always knowing top of mind what's going on in the digital marketing landscape. And you basically have that passport to keep getting new information and keep learning about the digital landscape and keep up-leveling your skills. I tried to take some notes, but honestly, there is so much in the course, but it is compressed down into a really digestible amount of information. So you could choose to take the course in just one day, or you can spread it out and take it at your own pace, depending on how much time you have. As a full-time working mom, I definitely have limited windows of time that I can be taking a course. So it was really nice to know that I was getting all of the information I needed to in the most compressed form, and there wasn't too much talking and chit chat or fluff that I didn't really need to know about. So I really loved that. Some of the courses and aspects of the course that I loved the most were the ability to learn about branding. I learned so much how to make my branding better, how to actually sell myself. It's really hard to sell for yourself and be able to have that confidence on camera, but learning a lot about it in the course has really helped me up level my skills. I also think that it was really helpful because not only do you learn about some of the social platforms that are most notable, like TikTok, but you also learn how to build up your social platforms like Pinterest, which is actually the second largest search engine behind Google. And you learned how to up-level your Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube. What's also really great, as I said before, they're adding in more courses all the time. So there's even a course about how to up-level your selling experience through Shopify, which is honestly a game changer because it's really hard to learn about Shopify, and being able to learn it in such a compressed form is going to be such a game changer as you're selling your products and learning to generate more of an income and make that income passive. Now, I'm sure the whole reason you decided to come here was to actually learn if you should purchase this program or not. And let me tell you, it is a very easy and resounding yes. I absolutely love this program. I've learned so much from it, and I do sell it in my store, which I'm linking down below. If you've taken this program and you really love it, comment down below. Or if you have questions about it, you can comment down below and I will make sure to answer as much as I can. I hope this was helpful in your decision, and the best of luck in your digital marketing journey.